To everyone who's still here, and congratulations to everyone who has won awards. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yes, Miss Tori Garcia. For your information, Miss Tori Garcia is also a Singaporean model. So palakpakan po natin si Miss Tori Garcia.
Thank you so much. And I would like to thank Dr. Jake Navea for having me here. And also before that, I would like to thank Front Row to R.S. Francisco and Mr. Sam Versosa, whom I met just now. And before anything else, yes, like they say, I'm Singaporean, and as much as I would like to wish my mom a happy Mother's Day, to all the moms here, happy Mother's Day. Unfortunately, my mom is in Singapore, so instead, I would like to give my happy, very special Mother's Day sa lahat po ng mga nanay dito. Palakpakan po tayo sa lahat ng mga special nanays dito.
So, I know your mother's in Singapore, but I'm absolutely sure that she's more than proud that you are here with us. Have a round of applause for Miss Tori Garcia.
And also,
please stay, Tori. I'd like to call on stage Dr. Jake Navea. And we're giving you a very special award.
Thank you so much.
The Family Choice Awards for Outstanding Anti-Drugs Ambassadoress.
Wow, congratulations, Tori Garcia. Thank you. Dr. Tamayo. Alright, we are down to our last batch of awardees.